Hi, I'm Dima.
And I'm Alex.
And this is our YouTube channel.
Wear a hat, and I didn't do my hair today. I literally just let it dry like normally, and like I feel good. Yeah.
Like I look like a dirty pillowcase, but it's fine. Okay, I can't zoom in. Hey, welcome to our channel. We're just two broke university students wanting to be famous.
Trying to make it big in the world.
Yeah.
Welcome, and we'll have some more videos to come.
Hope you enjoy. Hello. We're gonna dye our eyebrows using Just for Men beard dye. Life hack.
Here you go.
First, oh my god, I look like a bowling pin.
That's good. Here's the sparkly.
Am I?
Yeah. No, like, you're just glowing. This light really does wonders for you, Dayla.
Thanks. I did a face mask last night, so
Did you?
maybe. Yeah.
You're beautiful.
Thank you. It was an aloe vera rescue. So hopefully it saved my dry ass skin. Okay. Next eyebrow.
It's as easy as this.
Oh, it's...
Oh!
It's okay.
It's really difficult though, because you can't like, it's
Yeah.
obviously fucking clear, so you can't see
You can only just see like the shine. You can really see it well. Just purchased this little thing at Shoppers Drug Mart. It was like, I think like $2 because like everything's so cheap and it usually works really, really well. So you really just want to get this like fully covered, if you can see this. I usually just like lift up my brows and like just do the outline of it. Oh. I'm just really precise with mine. Because I don't. I'm not bashing you, girl. And then after, you just want to like take off all like the jelly stuff and your eyebrow. Wow, I feel like such a beauty guru. Michelle Phan, better watch out.
Oh, that bitch has been gone for years.
So in these little packages, you don't get like an angled brush, but you do get this thing. I wouldn't suggest doing it with this just because like unless you have fucking
rectangle
thick ass
brows.
Yeah, like if you're Eugene Levy or something like that and you're trying to dye your eyebrows, it's fine. So yeah, again, just like buy this. You can probably get one at the dollar store, honestly, like a little like paintbrush. So you also get two of these. One is more like one's a color and then one is just like a color developer and stuff, and it's just white and whatever color you decide. So I chose medium dark brown. That's just my preference. You literally just take the two, put it in here, and put a little bit of
A drop.
and then obviously screw up the lid because you don't want it going everywhere. And like you can tell by the lid that it does stain, and like I probably have some of it on my fingers. Then you want to take the color developer, and you also just want to put like next to the same amount. I usually do a little bit less. Just mix that up really well. You can always add more later. I suggest only doing a small amount at first because like you don't want to waste it. But I mean, I've had this for I think 4-5 months now, and like I still have like 7/8 of the tube like left, so it doesn't really run out quickly.
And it was only like $12.
Yeah, and I mean like that's so much better than going and getting your eyebrows dyed like every 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks or so, and like paying like $14-16 each time, right? Or you can just do it yourself because I'm a cheap bitch. Let's do like 6 minutes. I usually do 6 minutes, 1 minute to like apply, and then 5 minutes to do. Usually it's better with an angled brush because you're able to shape your brows better with it. On this side. Hey, your butter's super loud.
Oh my god, I forgot I was making pasta. Update, burnt my pasta again. If you have sparse ass eyebrows like me, this will help.
You have a really nice shape to your eyebrows though, so.
I don't know why I'm like this.
How much time left? Take like a minute. Oh, yeah. It almost.
Until these bad boys are ready.
Literally wipe it. And like wipe all of it off. This is the finished result.
Reveal time.
Reveal time in real
They didn't
time.
change like at all.
No, they're good. Overall, they look pretty good though. And like when they're playing, and like there's like the old people in the bed, and then the kids like going to bed, and like the mom's like, it will be over soon, and I'm like,
Thanks for watching.
subscribe and like our videos if you like our content, because we like you.
It's like breaking my neck.
It's okay. This kind of like looks weird when he is.
Thanks, subscribe. Blah, blah, blah.